Imagine exploring the backstreets, alleys and souks of Marrakech, filled with street-side vendors, all of whom have got tagines of all sorts bubbling away on little fires. Well, today's your lucky day, as we're making a tasty tagine filled with vegetables and spice marinated chicken. So let's put our tray tables up and our seat backs in an upright position and get ready for landing. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy in the section below so you can copy. Well, this chicken isn't going to marinate itself, so let's get on with it. I've got all of the spices and seasonings for the marinade in a large bowl, so let's add to it the garlic, the olive oil, and the water. And now the star of the show has arrived, the tiny whisk. So let's tiny whisk the marinade together. Time to get that chicken in there. And with clean hands, or tongs if you prefer, coat the chicken completely. The chicken needs at least 30 minutes rest. I'm leaving mine for longer, so I'm popping these babies in the fridge to chill, literally, until I'm ready. Now we can prepare the veggies for the tagine. I've already chopped the onion, so do the same with the tomato. Top and tail the courgette and slice it into thick batons. And the same with the carrot. Slice the potatoes into half-inch slices. If you're using a large pepper, just split it. It makes a really nice centerpiece. Roughly chop the large handful of parsley, or cilantro works too. I just happen to have a lot of parsley on the balcony. Now let's get cooking. On medium, heat a tablespoon of olive oil in your pan or tagine and add the onion. Fry for 5 minutes or so, just so they soften, not to brown them. Once done, remove from the pan and set aside, leaving a sheen of oil in that pan. Now it's chicken time, baby. Add the chicken to the pan and let's brown the chicken on one side for 5 minutes, just to lightly brown it. Keep the leftover marinade, you'll need it. Wow, there is no surface area left in that pan. Can I judge the pan to chicken ratio right, or what? Oh, I almost forgot the peppers. While the chicken is frying, I'm quickly going to cut the small peppers into rings. Whoopsie! After the 5 minutes, flip the chicken over to brown on the other side for another 5. Now let's build this dish. Sprinkle the onion over the chicken. Place the potatoes around the edge, pointing inward. The same with the courgette and the carrot. You see where I'm going with this, right? Now sprinkle over the tomatoes. And the sliced peppers. And some of the chopped parsley. And let's top this with our comically large pepper. Lastly, let's pour over that flavourful marinade. So let's make our approximation of a tagine. I'm going to tent the foil and seal it tight against the edge of the pan. Now reduce the temperature just so it bubbles away gently and steams for an hour. After that hour, open it up, being careful of the steam. Now doesn't that look super? Let's squeeze over the juice of a lemon. Arrange the sliced lemon around the edge of the tagine. Sprinkle over the peas. And another sprinkling of parsley. And season with salt and pepper. Then give the tagine a good old baste in that sauce. This is where I wish I could have found my turkey baster. You can imagine how easy this would be with a pipette. Now recover with the foil tightly and gently bubble away for a further 40 minutes. And finally, a little sprinkle of parsley, and we're ready to serve. That chicken just falls off the bone. Traditionally, this would be served with bread or rice. I have been told that couscous is for tourists. Well, I hope you liked this super flavorful recipe, so why not click that like button? If you don't, I do know where you live. So subscribe and see what's coming up next. We've got a lot of tasty recipes here. So until next time, bye!